Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Candy washer and dryer machine. How to select separate dry option, because my so many customers, my friends, they are asking how to select in this machine, how to select separate dry, because they don't know how to use the separate dry option, because this machine not available, that option is not showing here. Because of that they are confusing how to select, they are not able to select only the separate drive. Because of that I'm going to make this video. Now we will go to the next step. I will show you how to select the separate dry option, two machines, with the washer and dry and normal dry machine front loader. Now I already given power connection to the machine. Now I'm show you how to select separate drive, otherwise direct drive. And now I'm selecting here this cycle. You can see here rings and spin. Rings, this indicator, rings, drain and spin. This one I'm going to select here this cycle. Now you can see through the display it is showing 29 rings, 29. This one now showing rings 29. Now I'm going to press this one here rings plus you can see here rings and the wash indicator, that's mean timing indicator, and shirt, that's mean rings indicator. Now again I'm pressing one time. Now you can see rings plus spin, that's mean now already select drains and spin. It's showing 10 minutes drain and spin. You can see here. Again I will show you. I'm going to again from the beginning. Now I'm going to select the spin cycle direct. Now when you select here, this is the indicator, this is the mark. Now you can see through the display it is door already got locked. Now it's showing 29 minutes, that's mean the rings 29 minutes. Now I'm going to press this one here one time. You can see here, one time pressing it will show drain and spin. This is the way how to select separate dry. Now after water draining from the machine, it will start automatically spin cycle. Now press this one. Now you can see, you can hear the noise. The drain pump already got start. After draining, machine will run direct spin cycle. Now other machine also as same. I will show you. I think now you got the idea how to select the separate spin. Now other machine also I will show you. Now I'm going to show you the other machine. This one also same selector switch. It is as same before. Now I'm selecting here rings plus spin. This one three options are here: drain, rings and spin. Now what we can do, before that other machine, here indicator, here only select selection switch, here only. This is here in this machine. This machine model is, this is a Candy Rapid 12.5 kg. Model wise also I can show you. Model is here. This is the model RO14256D WMC8. This is the model. This machine actually is without dry option, only the wash 12.5 kg. Now this machine, how we can select the direct spin mode. Now it's showing already rings and spin, because I already selected here drain, rings plus spin. Because of that now it's showing only the rings 29 minutes. Now what we can do,
here we have to select drain. Now you can see drains plus spin. After drain it will come spin 10 minutes. This is the selection switch, touch switch. Now again I will show you in this machine before I show you that other machine. Now this one I already here came to the here this one rings, spin and drain, three options to all together. Now in this machine, now we have to select only the drain, spin cycle, direct cycle. Because of that we have to touch here one time, it will come drain. After that we can start the machine. Now you can see here door already got locked. Now it is draining, start drain pump. It's showing remaining minutes through the display, it's showing 10 minutes. Now it will go for direct spin. Within 10 minutes it will be finished. Now you can see here machine already got start. Now it will go for the spin cycle. Still not increase RPM. Now you can see here it is already decreased in time. Now it's remaining time 7 minutes only. Now it is RPM, I already select 1000 RPM. Now it is going on still direct spin cycle. Now I think everybody know how to select the spin cycle, separate spin cycle, how to select front loader, candy machine. Because it's no option here, because of that only I make this video. And now my topic already finished, and we will meet with another video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks again.